I'm Clarke Dummit, the founder of Dummit Fradin. An ignition interlock device is a small digital device that can get installed into your ignition with a hose coming out that you can blow into. The device measures the byproducts of alcohol so that it attempts to determine when there may be alcohol on your breath. If it does, the machine won't allow the car to start. An ignition interlock can be required based on several different things that have occurred in the past. The most common is that you blow a 0.15 or greater on a breath or get that result on a blood alcohol during a DWI. Then there's a requirement for 1 year of ignition interlock. There are other situations if you have multiple DWIs when you get a restoration hearing that you may be required to have an interlock for 3 to 7 years. Many people ask if they could skip the interlock completely by not driving for a year. Unfortunately, under North Carolina law, that's just not possible. You can skip your driving privileges for a year. However, at the end of the year, you're still going to have to get an ignition interlock before you can get any driving privileges from the Division of Motor Vehicles. It's actually better to go ahead and get the limited driving privileges issued by the court than it is to wait on the driving privileges as issued by the Division of Motor Vehicles because there are more stringent requirements. For most people, the ignition interlock is going to be a 1 year requirement. That's if you blow a 0.15 on your DWI. Then the ignition interlock will be 1 year. There are several other scenarios where you'd have to put on an ignition interlock for longer periods of time. If you're getting a conditional restoration after 2 DWIs, you're probably going to have the interlock for 3 years. If you're getting a conditional restoration after 3 or more DWIs, you're probably going to have the ignition interlock for a total of 7 years.